Welcome to lab activity number 4 for Thermoplastic Resins Lab. This is a lab that focuses on infrared spectroscopy of our two experimental resins, and I'm going to go over the module in this video to explain. So this is all contained here, so once again we have an overview for the week about what we'd like you to learn and then the steps you need to complete, as always. Then there is your lab activity that gives some background on infrared spectroscopy, what that means in terms of energy, and how the energy causes the motion of molecules to change. Shows you some infrared spectra of typical polymers. Gives you some help identifying species by FTIR. And then, of course, the steps for completing your lab summary document. So once again, we're looking at Lustran and Lexan, but this time with infrared spectroscopy. So after you've looked at your lab activity, we have two videos on Introduction to IR Spectroscopy and then Absorbance Band and Wave Numbers in Infrared Spectroscopy. And so with the overview, this video, and these three items, you should be able to complete your lab number 4 quiz. There are two documents that you can use for your completing your summary document. First of all is, of course, the data packet, and this gives you information on the spectra of the two resins that we looked at. So the first one is sample A1, and then we propose a structure, and then sample B1 and we propose a structure. And here is the peak number table that is a summary of these two spectra that are shown here, which were gathered again by myself. So from here, we're going to be asking you to answer questions in the lab summary document. There's an activity table as well. This isn't necessarily necessary for doing your lab summary, but this is just some additional information for you on different absorbance bands in the FTIR as a reference. You may not need it at all, but it's present there as a reference. And as far as what you need to answer in your lab summary, we'll pull that up. I'd like you to tell me what temperature the spectra were collected, what pressure the spectra were collected, the number of scans, and then the resolution. That's all present in the data packet. And then identify peaks unique to sample A, peaks unique to sample B, what peaks are present in both spectra, and then, of course, based on the FTIR spectra, which one is Lustran and which one is Lexan. So once again, same theme, but using different techniques to identify the polymer. In the previous two labs, we used thermal data, and in this lab, we're using FTIR spectral data. So once again, you have your lab quiz that is based on that lab activity and these videos, and then you have your lab summary that is based on your FTIR data report. Good luck, and I'll see you next week for our final lab.